Imagine a world where every person has access to justice, where institutions are strong and accountable, and where peace isn't just the absence of war, but the presence of fairness and opportunity. In the Philippines, issues such as corruption, human rights violations, and weak justice systems continue to hinder progress towards creating peaceful, just, and inclusive societies. But what does this have to do with us? And what can we do to lessen it? The answer lies in Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goals number 16 promotes
peace,
justice,
and strong institution. Peace. Peace isn't just the absence of war. It's about creating societies where everyone feels safe, secure, and free from violence. It's about resolving conflicts peacefully and building trust between communities.
justice. Justice which ensures that everyone has access to the law, regardless of their background, gender, and economic status. It's about fair trials, impartial courts, and protecting human rights.
Strong institutions. Strong institutions who act as being the backbone of a well-functioning society. They include governments, law enforcement, and civil society organizations. They must be transparent, accountable, and responsive to the needs of the people.
Achieving this goal is crucial as it lies the foundation for stability, peace, and equitable growth, ensuring that every individual can live free from violence, fear, and injustice. Pero aminin natin, mahirap talaga ma-achieve ang goal na to kung tayo mismo mga individual ay hindi kumikilos. Hindi pwedeng puro reklamo lang tayo na walang justice, walang peace, o hindi maayos ang gobyerno. Pero tayo mismo, hindi natin ginagawa ang part natin.
Hindi kailangan ng malaking bagay para magsimula. Minsan, simpleng pagrespeto sa iba, pagsunod sa batas, at pagiging tapat, at pag-iwas sa korupsyon sa kahit maliit na bagay. Yan na ang ambag natin sa mas malawak na kapayapaan at katarungan. Kung hindi tayo manloloko, mang-aabuso, o manghuhusga ng hindi patas, unti-unti nating binubuo ang lipunang may tunay na peace at justice. At bilang kabataan, malaki ang role natin. May boses tayo, may kakayahan tayo, at may responsibilidad tayong maging bahagi ng solusyon. Sa school pa lang, kapag paninindigan natin ang fairness, respect, at honesty, nagiging example tayo sa kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng SDG 16 sa tunay na buhay. Hindi siya abstract, hindi siya pang-government lang, pang-araw-araw siya.
Peace, justice, and strong institution.
Peace, justice, and strong institution.
Peace, justice, and strong institutions.
Peace, justice, and strong institution.
Peace, justice, and strong institution.
Laban para sa bayan! 1, 2, 3! Peace! Justice! And strong institution!
Kaya mahalagang tandaan, ang SDG 16 ay hindi lang goal ng United Nations. Goal din natin. Dahil tayo ang future citizens, future leaders, and future decision makers. Kung gusto natin ng bansang may hustisya, kapayapaan, at matatag na institusyon, kailangan natin simulan ngayon ang pagbabago. Hindi bukas, hindi sa iba, kundi sa sarili natin. Kung sama-sama tayo, kung sabay-sabay tayong kikilos sa maliit man o malaking paraan, hindi imposible ang SDG 16. At baka isang araw, hindi na lang siya pangarap, kundi realidad para sa ating lahat.